In this video, we are going to show you what the virtual private server indicator alert does. Now, if you have a virtual private server set up that handles your automated algorithmic trading, then you must have some sort of failsafe alert that lets you know that your server is up and functional and that your trades from it are getting executed on the exchanges. If your virtual private server is down and big moves are happening in the market, but your server is not up and functional to execute your orders, guarantee you'll lose big money, or even worse yet, get liquidated. Or you can just simply miss out on really good trades. So while automation is nice, there must be a way to also ensure that it is working all the time. So that's exactly what this virtual private server alert indicator does. Now, the way it works is it allows you to set regular scheduled interval alerts that will place a minimum order of any asset on the exchange or exchanges you trade on. So let me show you an example of this, what this is actually doing, how it syncs up with your exchange, and then your order book. So what we have here is we are telling this how often to send us alerts. So I have this to start on the daily close, on start hour 12, and I have it repeating every 12 hours. So what that's actually doing is giving us an alert once a day. And you can see that here when we have here starting at 5 o'clock, 1700 is 5 o'clock. And then over here is our next alert. And then 24 hours, our next alert. And if you want to, you can change this interval. You can always keep the start hour 12, but you can have this repeat every 36 hours if you want it to be every 2 days, and so forth. Or you could make it a lot shorter if you wanted to be notified every couple hours. You can do that too. And then you can set a time zone offset for the exchange. I'm on BitMEX right now, so I have it at 0 to match the exchange. So all this is doing is at regular intervals, scheduled intervals, at the same time every day, sending me an alert that is communicating with the exchange. And whatever exchange you trade on, it doesn't have to be BitMEX, but any exchange you trade on. So what you do then is you create an alert. I already have one set up over here. But what you would do is you go here to create alert. The condition is going to be the virtual private server. The condition is going to be the signal. And so I have that already set up over here. You have the signal. You want to get notified once per bar. And then you put your syntax for the exchange. Depending on what service you use to automate your trading, could be AutoView, could be some sort of bot program or something else, you would put your syntax here in Tradingview's message. So what I'm doing here, for example, this is an example using AutoView with the Kraken exchange, actually, or it could be BitMEX. But in here I have some Kraken syntax. But you would put your exchange name, all your exchange information, and then I'm using Bitcoin Cash right here as the symbol every day that I'm going to get an alert on. So what we're doing is we're going to be getting an order for Bitcoin Cash. The minimum order size is right here. We're going to be getting this minimum order placed on the exchange every day at 12 o'clock. And then an hour later, or a little less than an hour later, we're going to close that position and see that on the exchange also. So once you have this saved, the alerts will start firing at your scheduled interval time. This will get communicated to the exchange that you have it set up to. And then what you'll do, so this is a screenshot of the closed orders I took from the Kraken exchange. And you can see here at noon every day, we have an order for Bitcoin Cash on this amount, and it closed within the hour. And what this lets me know, when I go to my order history, my closed orders in the Kraken exchange, and I see these orders placed at noon, I know that that was coming from this virtual private server alert indicator, and that tells me that my VPS is up and running and that it is communicating properly to the exchange. So that way, there's no surprises for me that my algorithms or my trading systems are not working at any time. So this always gives me 100% peace of mind that the server is up and running, that my trades are getting executed, and it allows me to be free and to focus on other things. So you don't want to be caught in a situation where you think your server is up and running, your trades are going, and then you go to check at some point in the future and it didn't happen because your server was down. So with that being said, you can have longer or shorter intervals. It's totally up to you. I personally like receiving it daily at noon. And that's how this works. It's so important if you're running a virtual private server for your trading. Again, you don't want to find out when it's too late that your orders were not executed on your VPS because it was down. It's really, really simple to avoid by using something like this, and it will make your trading life so much easier and headache and frustration free. So thanks for watching this video, and happy trading.